Now in this part, we are going to add the scroll button, and we can find it inside the font awesome, and you can see this circle right button and also the circle left button. So we have to install this by using these two commands. So we copy this and then we paste to our terminal, and then we also copy this. Now in this part, we are going to add the scroll button, and we can find it inside the font awesome, and you can see this circle right button and also the circle left button. So we have to install this by using these two commands. So we copy this and then we paste to our terminal, and then we also copy this and paste to the terminal, and then we're going to grab this import font awesome, and then we go to the stories and then we paste to here, and then we import the two icons from the free-solid SVG icon, and it said we haven't installed the SVG core, so we have to add this. And then we use a div to wrap all the things because we are going to add these two buttons. So we cut this and paste at the bottom. And then we now use the font awesome. And then the size is equal to LG. And icon is equal to left. And color is equal to white. Now we should see the icons already exist, and you can see it at the bottom. So we have to position it by using a div to wrap all these buttons. Class name is equal to absolute and top 0, and we have the padding 4, and we have a width of 100% and height is 100%. So this meets the parent div, and we have the flags. So these two buttons will in a row, and we have justified between. So we have to push this to two end, and we have the exact index is equal to 10 units. So it has a higher order than these stories, and we also have the item center. So it will paste at the center of the stories, and now you can see it do not at the center of the stories because we have to make some adjustment on the parent div. We have to make this class name into relative, so we can use the top 0, so it will paste at the center, but you can see the button is on the right side at here rather than this one, because the parent div is 100% width, but this one is not, so we have to control the div width. So we have to use the width is max content. So now the buttons will become pasted at here. And now we also have to use the drop shadow to make some shadows on the buttons. So we go down to here, and for both of these icons we add the class name is equal to cursor pointer. So when mouse over it, it will become a finger, and then we use drop shadow of LG, and then we close the double quotes, and we have to add the filter on both of these icon. So we type filter. Now we can see it has the shadows, and when mouse over it, it will become a finger.